Section 12.5a is about dividing polynomials by monomials. The key to this is divide each term of the polynomial by a monomial. If you think about this a different way, instead of writing it this way, you could say, instead of dividing by 3r, we're actually taking 3r squared minus 15r and multiplying it by the reciprocal, 1 over 3r. That's another way to think about dividing by 3r. Well, if we did that, we would distribute that fraction to each term. So what we're really doing is we're taking each term inside of the polynomial and dividing it by 3r. And then we're just going to write that minus sign down and then take 15r divided by 3r. So it's almost like we're distributing, but we're distributing the denominator of a fraction to each term in the parentheses. And now we'll simplify. 3 cancels, one of the r's cancel, leaving an r. 3 goes into 15 5 times, the r's cancel. R minus 5 is our solution. Next example, dividing by a monomial. So we'll take each term in the polynomial and divide it separately. And then we will reduce each fraction as we can. N cancels with one of those, leaving an n over 5. That's the best you can do to simplify that. 5 goes into 10 twice. The n's will both cancel, so we'll be left with a plus 2. And this one, nothing will cancel, so we're left with 12 over 5n. And this is the best we can do. It's the best we can simplify when we divide that polynomial by a 5n. Last couple of examples, you might want to pause them and try them for yourselves. So we'll separate and divide each term by 2x. 2 goes into 4 twice. One of the x's will cancel, so a 2x squared. 2, one of the x's, leaving me with just an x. Now I want you to notice there's an x here and an x here, but those are not like terms, because this is really a 1x, and this is a 5 divided by an x, so you can't collect those as like terms, so this would be your solution. Now you might also see these problems written this way, with a big division bar. It doesn't change how we're going to solve it. We're still going to write each term on the top and divide it by the denominator. So we'll cancel now 7 into 14 twice. A squared's gone, b squared's gone, leaving a 2. 7 into 35 5 times. One of the a's gone and all the b's, so that's a 5 over a. Here the a squareds are gone, leaving a 2 on top and a 7 b squared on the bottom.